Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Center Market. Now, that is Center Street, and that one back there is Mulberry. And in between Mulberry and Center Street, we have this lonely street. It's only one block, guys. It's called Center Market, and it starts with Broom Street right here. But before we start, let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am. 360. So again, guys, we're doing today Center Market Place, and we begin the journey down there now. Oh, okay. Again, guys, this is only one block long. It's Center Street. Sorry, Center Place. So this one I'm gonna go really slow. Again, it's only one block, guys. Let me show you the other side. You see, we have a graffiti up there. That looks like what's her name? Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. Wait, hold on. I didn't give you the whole thing. So this is on the other side. It's mostly a parking lot here in Center Place Market. Sorry, Center Market. And again, guys, it is only one. It is only one block long. It's still cool, you know. I've covered smaller alleys than this one, so still counts. But these right here, these are my streets. This is where I dwell. Because the next street after this one is gonna become Baxter, but that's another street. Heavy metal. And you already know my policy, guys. I only do the streets that I need to do. So see the next block up there? That's gonna become Baxter Street, which is following this one. Okay, guys, coming up at Center Marketplace, Grand Street, going now northbound, guys. Again, it is only one block long. But you know what? Let me make it more. See, this is where we are right now. And this side. And that back there is Baxter Street. And we're gonna head back north again. O'Neill's. Again, construction, guys, construction. Bush. Oh, that reminds me of the burning bush when Moses went up to the Mount Sinai to talk to the Lord face to face, man. I mean, I guess that he will be the only human to actually seeing God to a certain degree, because they say that if you look at God in the form that we are now, we die, man. That's heavy stuff. So anyways, now this is the parking lot here. This is the parking lot right here for the Center Marketplace. And up there, that looks like Marilyn Monroe. You see her. Okay, guys, now we keep going and we're gonna finish the video. I started the video back there, but you know what? I'm gonna go straight ahead here. Normally, you know what? Let me do this. let's go across the street and finish the video. As you can see, there's too many, cars and stuff. You see, Sensor Marketplace, Broom Street. So I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna go through here, then go through here. And then this truck is in the way, so they like to use a lot of space. So this truck's in the way right now, but we can go around it. And I'm gonna go straight to the starting point right here. Okay, guys? And from here, guys, thanks for watching the video. You all know what to do, what to say. Until I'll see you somewhere in time. Bye.